Good day and welcome back to Bio 200 Laboratory Series, Chapter 9 Endocrine. You are still with me, Chris, and today we will be discussing the different major endocrine organs of the abdominal cavity. So let's begin. Let's start by identifying what organ is being shown in the image on your screen. Can I hear from the class? Very good. So this is going to be your kidney. Okay, so your kidney, and then it's zoomed in, okay, to this area here. So we have your kidney, okay, and then we have your adrenal gland. So sitting on top of your kidney is your adrenal gland. And further zoomed in, since we are discussing about endocrine, we would be more focused or interested in the adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland is actually subdivided into 3 layers. So can somebody from the group identify the first layer of our adrenal gland? So it would be this area here. Okay, very good. So that would be your capsule. So once again, that is your capsule. Let's move forward to the next section of your adrenal gland. So can somebody from the group identify, okay, what section of the adrenal gland is being pointed out in this area? Okay, so what section is this area here? Okay, very good. That will be your adrenal cortex. And lastly, can somebody from the group identify the area of your adrenal gland, or the innermost area of your adrenal gland that is being highlighted or selected in the image on your screen? You are correct. So this is going to be your medulla or medulla. Okay, now that we have identified the different parts or sections of your adrenal cortex, from the capsule, the cortex, to the medulla, let's proceed to the different hormones that are being released by these, or by your adrenal glands. Let's proceed to the first one. So your adrenal cortex is responsible, okay? So it's responsible for secreting 3 hormones. So you have your adrenal cortex responsible for secreting 3 hormones. Specifically, we have your mineralocorticoids in this area, where it's dissected as the mineralocorticoid secreting area, which produces the hormone mineralocorticoids. Can somebody from the group, okay, discuss the major action of the mineralocorticoids? You are correct. So it is to promote the reabsorption of sodium and excretion of potassium in the kidneys. Let's move on to the next one. So your adrenal cortex is also producing a hormone called glucocorticoids. So it is being created in this glucocorticoid secreting area. Can somebody from the group discuss to us what is the major action of your glucocorticoid? Very good. So your glucocorticoid increases your blood glucose levels. Lastly, for your hormones being produced in the adrenal cortex, we have your sex hormone secreting area here, which produces your hormones androgen and estrogen. So this will be discussed later on when we discuss on, okay, your gonads. Let's proceed to the hormones that is being, okay, that is being produced by your adrenal medulla. So can somebody from the group give us the hormones that is being produced by your adrenal medulla? So you are correct. We have your epinephrine and your norepinephrine. So what is the purpose of this epinephrine and norepinephrine? So what is its function? What is its major action? Can we hear from the group? Okay, so you probably heard this before. So this will be for your, okay, fight or flight response. It raises blood glucose level. It increases the rate of metabolism. It constricts certain blood vessels. So that would be your major action of your epinephrine and your norepinephrine. So here is an image of a kidney, and your adrenal glands would actually be sitting, okay, on top of your kidneys. Let's try to proceed. Okay, so this is another cross-sectional image of your kidney where your adrenal glands are located at the top of your kidneys. Now let's proceed to another endocrine organ that is found in your abdominal cavity. So can somebody from the group identify what gland is being shown, okay, in the image on your screen? So you are correct. So this is going to be your pancreas, okay? And here it shows a microscopic view of your pancreas where it will show your pancreatic islets, okay? And each pancreatic islets will have this structure. So you will have your exocrine cells on the outer part, okay? And inside of your pancreatic islets, we have your alpha cells and your beta cells, as well as capillaries. So let's move on to discuss what are the hormones being produced by your pancreas. So your pancreas is primarily involved in regulation of blood glucose level. So it is responsible for raising or lowering blood glucose level depending on the body's need to maintain homeostasis. Okay? And can I hear from the group what hormone is actually responsible for reducing blood glucose level? So it is produced in the pancreas, and its action is to reduce blood glucose level. Anybody from the group? Very good. So that would be your insulin. However, your pancreas is also responsible for raising or increasing the blood glucose levels if the blood glucose level is too low. Can anybody from the group give me the hormone that is responsible for raising the blood glucose level? Okay, very good. So that would be your glucagon. That would be your glucagon. So those are the two hormones that is being produced by your pancreas. Okay, so we have your insulin to reduce or to lower the blood glucose level, and glucagon to increase or to raise blood glucose levels. Here is a quick photo of what your pancreas might look like inside of your abdominal cavity. Okay, so this area here would be your pancreas. So it's sitting just beside your stomach. Okay, just sitting beside your stomach, and of course, it's the liver is around there somewhere. Any questions regarding the hormones produced or um, involved in your abdominal cavity? None? Once again, thank you very much for joining us in our Bio 200 Laboratory series. You have a good day.